Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your tractor and the first trailer on flat ground. Keep the engine off and the parking brake set for control. Align the trailer drawbar with the tractor hitch so you're within about half a meter to 1 meter. Lower or raise the hydraulic lift to get the hitch height matched. This ensures the coupling will connect cleanly. Once done, secure the hitch pin or automatic latch and connect any lights or hydraulics so the trailer will respond when you move. You now bring the first trailer into position to connect the second trailer. Drive slowly and keep a steady line so the first trailer's hitch meets the second trailer's drawbar squarely. This prevents binding. Use the second trailer's jack or hydraulic controls to fine-tune the height so the pins line up perfectly. Once the coupling engages, insert the pin and secure any latches. Make sure to connect safety chains and the electrical plug. Testing articulation right away prevents surprises while driving. Finish by performing a series of slow tests. Make gentle turns and a short reverse to confirm both trailers articulate correctly and nothing drags. If the coupling fails to engage, stop, unhook, realign the hitch heights, clear any debris from sockets, and try again. This fixes most misalignments. Make sure pins are fully seated and safety chains are crossed and secured. Finally, verify lights and hydraulics operate. Once everything checks out, you're safe to drive with the double trailer setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.